Hello students, today we are going to start practice set 20 of standard 7th. Here question number 1, line AC and line BD intersect at point P. Measure angle APD is equal to 47 degree. Find the measures of angle APB, angle BPC, angle CPD. That means this three angle you have to find out, and here they have given you the diagram. Line AC and line BD intersect at point P. That means they are intersecting with each other at point P. Here measure angle APD is given to you, that is 47 degree, and what you have to find, you have to find APB, that means this angle you have to find, and BPC, this angle you have to find, and CPD, this angle you have to find. This three angle we have to see. Now see here I have written measure angle APB is equal to 40 degree. So same students, this measure angle PBPC, this will also 47 degree. Why students? Because these are vertically opposite angle. This is also opposite to vertically opposite to each other. So that's why this will 47 degrees, so this will also 47 degrees. So we have find the first angle BPC, this angle we have find. Now see the next angle APD. Now here APD I have taken, and the next plus angle APB. I have taken this angle and this angle. So students, you can see here this angle forms a linear pair, right? So linear pair is 180 degree. So you can here write here angle in a linear pair. Now this angle APD is 47 degree plus measure angle, this we don't know. So as it is I have written here, and 180 as it is. Now the angle which we don't know we take out, and 180 degree minus 47. This will give you 133. So we get measure angle APB, that is 133. Now the next angle we will find, that is measure angle APB. Now see here already they have given you measure angle APB, that is 133. Same way we will do this also. See students, APB how much? 133. So same, the opposite, vertically opposite to each other, this ray will be this angle will also be 133 degree. So see here I have written measure angle CPD is also 130 degree. So here vertically opposite angle. Now we get measure angle APB is equal to 133, measure angle BPC 47 degree, and measure angle CPD, that is 133. So this three angle we have find. Same way we will solve question number 2. Line PQ and RS intersect at point M. Measure angle PMR is equal to X degree. What are the measure of angle PMS, angle SMQ, and angle QMR? That means again you have to find these three angles, and here line PQ and PR are intersecting at point M, and this angle is given, that is angle X degree, and you have to find this three angles. Angle PMS, this angle SMQ, this, and QMR. So students, same way we will do this also. Measure angle PMR, this angle, plus measure angle PMS, this becomes 180 degree, that means linear angle. So I will write here the angle in a linear pair. So we know this value, this x, plus we don't know this, so as it is, and 180 degree. Now your measure angle PMS is equal to 180 degree minus x. So our answer is measure angle PMS is 180 degree minus x. We got it. Now see the next one. Measure angle SMQ is equal to, see here, SMQ. We don't know. So see students, here already x is given to you. So that means this angle will also be x degree. From where? Vertically opposite angle. Like this. Now next is measure angle QMR. QMR. This angle. We get this angle 180 degree minus x. So same. This will also 180 degree minus x. Why? Because of vertically opposite angles. Therefore, the measure of angle PMS is equal to 180 degree minus x, angle SMQ is equal to x degree, and angle QMR is equal to 180 degree minus x. Like this you have to solve practice set 20. So in the next video I will show you practice set 21. Thank you students.